Okay, so as promised, I'm going to show you some of the templates that I've created for the ExitGrabber script. And just in case you're not familiar with it, the way this works is that when you try and leave the website, it doesn't stop you from leaving, but it makes a little window appear. That invites you to either visit another website, or it gives you a reason to stay, or you can even set this so that it puts your lead capture form in, so you can capture the person's email address. And in fact, you put any web page that you like in here. So there's lots of possibilities with this. On this website they've just put plain text, but you can do much more with it. So let me just show you an example. On my blog, for example, I put a window that invites the person to subscribe to the Nettle magazine before they leave. And just by doing something as simple as putting a black border around it, or highlighting in yellow, putting an image on there, it just makes that a little bit more eye-catching and hopefully a little bit more effective. Now this is all very well if you know how to create the HTML for the template, but if not, I thought it would be a good idea to make it available to anybody else who's using the ExitGrabber software. And I've put it into a browser wizard. This is what it looks like. So you can select what kind of window you want to create, and then it's simply a case of typing the details in that you want to appear on the actual ExitGrab window. So I've just put some information here already. I've put in a headline, some information for the paragraphs, the link that I want to appear, and the title of the link. And then all I have to do is click Finished, and then if you scroll down, you can see that it's created the HTML code for those windows, and I can select which one I like the best based on which image I like. So I quite like this one, so I'll have a go with this. So just highlight that, right click, copy, and then I need to open WordPad, copy the code into there, and I'm going to save it. It needs to be an HTML file, so let's call this transformers.html. Okay, save that, and I need to upload that. There it is. So just double click that. Okay, that's fine. So let's see have a look and see how that looks. And there we go. So it's got the headline and the text that I put in there, and also the link to, see if that works, yep, to the Transformers movie website. Very cool. Okay, so now I'm going to put that template actually into the ExitGrabber software itself. Okay, so copy that into there. Put a headline in there. I can decide how big I want it to be. I can test this out later, make sure I get the size exactly right, but I'll just put it in nice and big to make sure. Generate the code, copy that to the clipboard. Right, and this is the page I'm going to put the code on. So I'm just going to paste that in, save it, and we'll upload that. Let me just pause that a minute so you're not waiting while I'm faffing around with this. Okay, so that's uploaded now. And if I go back to the page, where it is, if I can find it. Okay, so that's the page I've uploaded the ExitGrab onto, and if I try and leave the page, there we go, the ExitGrab opens with a link to the Transformer website. Very good. So very simple to do, very quick to do, and as I said before, if you purchase a copy of ExitGrabber script, then I'll happily let you make full use of that wizard so you can create some nice templates of your own.